What the hell? What did I just do? Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at home. Lonely. Valentine is coming. Eh? Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at home. Lonely. Hi guys. I hope you're not lonely. I really do hope you're not lonely this season of love. It doesn't have to be romantic love. You can spend time with your family, your friends, or just do things that make you feel happy. You don't have to have romantic love to enjoy this season of Valentine. Okay? Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Renee and this is my YouTube channel. If you like my face, if you like my videos, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You will love it here. I promise you, you are going to love it here. Okay? Yeah. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. We're going to be creating a subtle, calm, soft, sexy look for Valentine. It's something you can wear out on a date if you have one. And if you don't, you can just wear it, stay at home like I'm about to do, and feel good about yourself. Singleness is not a crime. Yeah, it's not. I have not done anything on my face, so this is going to be a detailed tutorial. I'm going to do everything in this video. My lips, I just looked at myself in the mirror. My lips is really crusty. Let's fix that. This will do for now. I'll be starting off with my brows. They're a bit overgrown, but it's nothing that a bit of concealer cannot fix. I don't want to trim them just yet. You're going to wait for this to dry down a bit. While that is drying, then I'm going to go in with my primer. Back to the brows. To clean up my brows, I'm going to be using concealer for the bottom part and foundation for the top. I'm going to drag it down to my lid as primer for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to set my lid with powder. This is the palette I'm going to be using for my eye look. All of the colors that I'm going to use will be from here. I'm going for a pinky nude look. I think that is soft, subtle, sexy. So I'm going to be using these 3 shades to create that. I'll probably use one of these highlighters in my inner corners just to brighten things up a bit. Starting with this as my transition shade. That's quite a lot. I don't need the camera picking it up. This brush is too dense for it, so I'll switch it up. I'm going to use this instead. It's fluffier. Yeah, this is a lot better. A good eyeshadow application consists of 3 things in my opinion. The product, it has to be good. The applicator, you have to use the right one, and then product placement. When it comes to applying on your lid, you need to know where to place what. If not, your eyeshadow look is just going to come out wrong. And don't forget to blend. You need to blend. Ideally, no one should know where one color ends and where the other starts, so you need to blend in properly so that it just looks like a seamless application and not like a watercolor project that a 3-year-old did. Now with a brush that looks like this, I'm going to go in with my outer corner color. I'm going to blend this into my crease as well. I'm using a brush that looks like this so that I can just place the color where I want it. I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and a bit of my transition shade to blend this out shortly. I think this placement is good. This was the color that I used for my outer corner, so I'm going back in with this brush and the transition shade a little, just a little, to kind of blend it out properly. See that? Now I'm going to pack this shade on my lid. For this, you want to use a flat brush like this. Just to make sure everything is cute and nice, I'm going to go back in with this brush and just blend out all of my edges. Going in with my e.l.f. eyeliner. For lashes, I'm using this set from Acen Beauty. After 1 million years and about 30 tries, I was able to get my lashes on. It's just a pity that lashes do elevate your look. If not, I would have skipped it. But it really does make a difference. You can see. You can tell, right? For my foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two. And I'll be using a brush to blend that in.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
I'll be using this to bronze my face.
It's like tall buildings.
To conceal, I'm going to go in with this Zaron concealer. Then I'll go in with this just to brighten. Using this brush, I'll start blending my contour.
She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
For blush, I'm using this one by Nuban Beauty. I'll be using this setting powder by Huda Beauty to set my face.
Two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake.
To set the whole of my face, I'm going to be using this powder by Maybelline.
The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
What the hell? What did I just do? I don't like the way that this thing sprays. Like, what is this? What did I just do? Granted, I sprayed it so close to my face, but if I spray it far, I don't think that, oh, okay, now it works. Maybe I have to spray it away from my face a few times before using it on my face. But let's see how this dried down. Hopefully, I haven't just spoiled everything that I did. Thank God I didn't apply my mascara. Okay. What is a Valentine's look without red? I guess we'll never know. I'm going to be using this red lip stain from Sephora. I've never used it before, so to be on the safe side, I'm going to line my lips with this brown pencil, and I'll do like a very, very thick liner. It's actually not bad. A thin line would have worked as well, but better safe than sorry. This is the finished look, guys. I think it came out really, really good. I think it's really, really beautiful. Let me know what your opinion is in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.